Welcome back. It's a new episode of Cypher and Cypher's channel. Today we have Therizinosaurus. We have this one, the original from Dominion, and we have the Hammond Collection right here. We have this too because it's time for the new Chaos Theory Therizinosaurus fresh from the box. There you go. Slash and wire, guys. Still sealed. We're gonna unbox it. Check it out. Oh gosh, we're kind of tight here. All right, guys, we're gonna open it up. All right, guys, let's check it out. There we go, all brand new. It's not supposed to be out yet, but we got it already. While I'm opening this, I'd like to say that I just got back from Target, and guess what I saw? I saw that reimagined Atrociraptor helicopter. Apparently, it's not ready to be sold yet, but they displayed it early. It'll be out on the 1st of November. Whoa. Okay, see, dropped my camera now. Alright, so yeah, I tried to check out, but they said it's not for sale yet. They couldn't sell it yet. So here you go. Jurassic World Chaos Theory Therizinosaurus. We're going to compare it to the rest of the Mattel's Therizinosaurus. So we got 3 now. Alright, let's check the box. It's nice. This is pretty unique. Look at the box out here. Look at that, huh? Pretty cool. We got the Suchomimus and the Styxosaurus. Can't wait for these guys to come out. Alright, so it has the Giganotosaurus symbol right there. Alright, let's check it out. Let's unbox it. Alright. Oh snap, the leg. What else? The leg. What else? Oh gosh, really? Alright. Took it out, so let's see. New paint job, has battle scars now. It's a totally new sculpt. The tail looks different. Okay, that's the DNA scan. There you go. It has battle scars right there, battle damage. Alright, in the arm as well. That's so cool right there. So let's move the tail. There you go. See, it moved. It's a sound. So that's the only articulation, but the neck does not go down anymore. See that? It does not move. The head does not move either. Let's check the other side. So it has a colored beak now compared to the original. Nothing. So there's no feathers in the jaw. This one has feathers, same as the Hammond. No feathers in the Hammond Collection right there. The tail looks better. It's a little. The length is a little shorter though. Or the same, except it's kind of curvy now. Has a damage there on the tail. So yeah, it moves though. Has automatic arm attack. Okay. Now for the legs, it's a little smaller. The foot seems a little smaller. Okay. Oh, you can't move anymore. So that's how it is. You can't really rotate the arms like that anymore. It has to be straight. It doesn't go down. Yeah, you can't. Oh well, that's how they do it. Whoops. Yeah. But it should be. There, oh yeah, there you go. So apparently it still works. There you go. It's supposed to be like this. Yeah. There, there's a slashing attack. Now let's compare it to the Hammond Collection. Obviously the Hammond is longer again. Feathery. The face. Has a carved beak. So yeah. Alright, there you go. Not bad. Except like for the neck part, it doesn't move anymore. It doesn't go down. And like the Dominion, you push it down, it goes down. See that? Yeah. There's no articulate in the neck. What the heck? Okay. This one does work. See? So yeah, there you go. Our 3 big Therizinosaurus now. Hopefully one day they're gonna make a Segnoraptor. It's also a Therizinozoid. So there you have it. Our 3 big birds. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Thank you so much. We'll see you Halloween Day for the new Giga Hybrid. Yep. Thank you again. Have a good evening. Bye for now.